A lot of amazing Vaseline brand. As you can see, it's displayed on the screen. Vaseline has a lot of amazing brands. So out of all these lotions that you are seeing right here on the screen, I have selected four best Vaseline body lotions that will be so good for you to give you that hydration you want, that moisturization you want, and will also even tone your skin, brighten up your skin, helps to get rid of patches on the skin. And these lotions are suitable for all skin type, are suitable for all skin tones. Okay, so if you'll be thinking of the kind of Vaseline body lotions that you want to get, and because there are lots of varieties, please, you want to stick to the end of this video, okay, so that you do not miss out on any part of this my video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It is product review time o'clock. I'm sorry guys, I've not been so consistent. I had so much on my hands, but your girl is back. By the grace of God, we are back. Thank you all so much for sticking with me up to this point. And if you just seen this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Choma Innocent Wabude, and right here on this channel we do everything skincare tips, product reviews, and DIY. So please do well to click this like and subscribe button. I'm going to be listing out 4 amazing body lotions, and these body lotions are body lotions that are best for dry and winter season. Okay, right now I would say harmattan season. Even if it's not in this season, if you suffer from dry skin, if you're battling with a dry skin, or you want a product that you can use that will be so moisturizing for your skin and will give you a glowing skin and will not, strip you off your natural skin color, and will also lighten and brighten you. So please do not go anywhere. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video so you do not miss out on any part. There is no other body lotion that I would want to review and also talk about like this rather than Vaseline. If you follow me for a while, you know that I talk about Vaseline a lot because Vaseline is one of the most very good and long-lasting brand that I've carried and have held such a good reputation for years. Okay, this brand is amazing. So I have actually selected like 4 very good body lotions that you can use if you have fair skin or you're a dark skin type. Any skin tone can actually use this particular body lotion. I'm going to be concentrating more for the dry skin and for skins that want to be moisturized and for also sensitive skin type. Okay, I've reviewed Vaseline body lotion quite a number of times in the past. I've reviewed it and a lot of people seem more interested in it, where I actually reviewed their new collections. This Vaseline body lotion I'm also going to be recommending for you are also their new updated collections. Okay, so the first Vaseline body lotion right here on my list is Vaseline Intensive Care Dry Skin Repairing Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is the image of the body lotion right here. The images are going to be displayed on the screen. This particular Vaseline lotion is a classic winter hydration lotion that is infused with Vaseline jelly micro droplets. This thing here, that's micro droplets that makes Vaseline stand out so unique. Like this particular one is a must-have. Like the lotion has so much richness inside of it. So now let's look at the benefits of this body lotion. It's going to give you a deep moisturization for every dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, just know that moisturization is settled. Please tell me thank you. Come down to comment section and tell me, Choma, thank you for putting out this amazing video for us. Please come down to comment section and say thank you. This micro droplet actually helps to lock in moisture. Yes, that is the secret of that. Is actually one thing that actually makes this is actually one feature in Vaseline products that makes them stand out. This micro droplets in it helps to lock in moisture. Vaseline is an occlusive, okay? so it locks in moisture and allow all the moisturization and hydration. It locks them in, they do not escape. Yeah, Vaseline lotions are fast absorbing, and one good thing is that it doesn't give you a greasy feeling. There's just like rubbing a lotion and you start feeling so uncomfortable, or your skin start feeling greasy, then you have to put on your clothes on it and it stains on it. It's just totally off. So these particular body lotions will do no such thing of that for you. Okay, it helps to restore the skin natural barrier, because at the end of the day your skin natural barrier needs to be restored. It actually helps to smoothen rough patches on the skin, like the ones on the elbows and on the knees. So that is that about the lotion. I'm gonna leave the amount of this body lotion on the screen, and there's also going to be links in my description box that would lead you to a site where you are going to get any of these body lotion. Okay, it's just a way of encouraging me and telling me thank you for putting out this amazing video for us. So that is that about the lotion. The second Vaseline body lotion here is the Vaseline Intensive Nourishing Argan Oil Body Lotion. Vaseline has a lot of amazing brands. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on any of these body lotions. Please make sure you stay tuned to the end. And like I said previously, if you've not liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do well to like and subscribe to be part of this amazing video. This is a deeply hydrated body lotion because it is infused with argan oil, and as a result of this richness, it actually helps to deeply moisturize the skin. And this particular one is perfect for dry skin, and it's also good during dry season and winter season too as well. I'm pretty sure right now the images are going to be displayed on the screen. It helps reduce dryness and rough patches that is commonly caused by cold weather. This one too actually helps to boost the skin's natural glow. This one too is lightweight and it gives you a non-greasy feeling, and it absorbs really fast. So that is that about the second one. The third Vaseline body lotion right here on my list is Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion. Some of these body lotions you've not really heard of it, so that is why you have me here to actually tell you about the body lotions. Okay, so let me repeat myself. Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion. This particular one is a highly recommended body lotion that is essential for dry skin because it gives deep nourishment too as well. This one gives a long moisturization up to 48 hours, that is 2 days. Have you ever used a body lotion that you applied a day before, like you applied yesterday, and you wake up in the morning and it's even afternoon and your skin still feels soft, still feels moisturized? That is what these lotions that I'm recommending are going to do for your skin. Okay, it also helps in repairing dry and cracked skin. Dry and cracked skin has become a serious issue, especially for dark skin type or even caramel skin type, or mostly people that their skin is mostly affected by the weather. And one thing you need to know is that once your skin is dry, once your skin is cracked, there is no much moisture, you are at risk of having stretch marks. And just in case you don't know, you are at risk of having stretch marks. That is why moisturizing body lotions are very good, and they are important. You know, they must be included in your skincare routine. Like, you must have them. Keep bleaching products aside. Okay, and this one is enriched with oat extract to soothe and nourish the skin. It's already it's everything. Trust me, it is everything. It is enriched with oat extracts that will actually help to do what? To soothe and nourish the skin. This is a lightweight formula. It is non-greasy. It's a lightweight formula, it is non-greasy, and it absorbs really fast as well. So that is that about the third Vaseline body lotion. So the last Vaseline body lotion right here on my list is the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair 48-hour Deep Moisture Body lotion. The repair is advanced, so this is a collection of it here. It has so much, there are a lot of varieties for this particular one. I'm pretty sure right now you can see them on the screen. So I selected one out of this to recommend for you to make your search very easy. This particular one is a very strong hydration, especially for dry and rough bumpy skin. This Vaseline is clinically proven to deeply hydrate and moisturize the skin, moisturize your dry skin within days. It also provides intense and long-lasting moisturization for up to 48 hours. This one contains ultra hydrating lipids that would actually help to strengthen the skin's barrier. With all these, you think it's greasy? No, it is non-greasy, and it's also very fast absorbing to the skin. And one thing that actually makes this particular lotion stand out is that it is unscented. It doesn't have a scent, so it's suitable for sensitive skin. It is a very good option for sensitive skin. And also, if you're someone that you're not really into fragrance, you don't want fragrance, then this one too is a good one for you too as well. So these are the 4 of my best Vaseline body lotion for this video. There are still more, but because I don't want the video to be so long and lengthy, I selected my best 4, so you can choose out of your preference. Okay, there are still more. If you also want me to also recommend Vaseline body lotion for oily skin, combination skin, come down to the comment section and say please recommend Vaseline body lotion for us, and in no time you are going to get the video. So and before I also forget something, please, your lotion is not complete without your body oil. Your body oil is what gives it that radiant glow and that shine. So what other body oil can we use if it's not still the same Vaseline glow oil? But the Vaseline body oil that I will recommend for you is the Vaseline Radiant and Replenishing Hydrating Body Oil, or the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Body Oil. I'm going to leave the 2 body oil images on the screen right here. Okay, but this one is replenishing. This one says replenishing and hydrating, like it is something. Oh, this Vaseline is something. Imagine using any of these body lotions that I recommended for you. You are definitely going to love your skin. Your skin is gonna be, man, out of this world. Like, there's no how you will pass and people will not look at you. Very quickly, I'm going to show you an example. Yeah, so just watch out.
Even tone for moisture, and just so I can even out my complexion as well, because one thing about them is that their skin tone is always so uniform. In 2026, your skin cannot be carrying last. Do you hear me? I use the dry skin repair on my hands and feet because my hands and feet just tend to get drier than the rest of my body. Next up, I go in with my body oil, and this one is also from Vaseline.
So do you see
the glow?
Your body oil is everything, and a lot of you that have used it, you can also testify to it. Body oil absorbs quickly without greasing the skin. It helps to soften and revitalize dull skin. So if you really want to make sure that those dry skin, crappy bumpy skin do not come back, please do not forget to infuse or work along with your Vaseline Glow Body Oil, okay? And it's often formulated with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. So this is a must-have. Make sure that while you're also getting your body lotion, you are also getting your body oil, okay? So that is that. So if you found this video really helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button to say thank you. It's a way of you saying thank you, and so that you would get notified whenever I post a new video. Do well to also check out my previous videos. I've done amazing videos, so do well check it out. Trust me, you're going to find it very helpful. So like I said initially, I would put the prices. The prices will be definitely be displayed on the screen. If it's not on the screen, come to my description box for more information about it, where to get it, links to get it to is going to be there as well. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for joining and sticking with me up till now. If you watch this video till the end, you are the real MVP, and God bless you. Also share, trust me, they are also going to find this video really helpful. And also come back to comment section and tell me thank you, or share your thoughts. If you want me to review any body lotion, come down and tell me you want me to review it, or if you've used any of this body lotion, come down to comment section and tell me how it was for you. So guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning and stopping by, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one.